Alright, this is the BiSSEll BigGreen commercial vacuum machine. This thing has worked great for me. Multiple adjustments right here. It uses style 7 filters, bags. You just get into it right there like that. It's got a 30-foot cord reel on the side of it here, the on and off switch, and then the switch down here to lower the handle. But this thing works great. Something I definitely recommend. Alright, so here we're looking at the BiSSEll BigGreen carpet machine. Here's the brush on it. To get access to it, you take these screws off right here and you pull the bottom off. There's a belt in here. Style 7 belt, style 7 filters. And you can see all the way up the back, you've got the different attachments. Alright, so go ahead and turn it on, show you how quiet it is.